2020 Ford F-150 5.0 liter V8. The right engine on these trucks. Got factory converters, got less than 1,000 miles on it. Then it's got a resonator right there. And then we deleted everything and did a side pipe right there with a dual outlet tip right there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. 2013 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0. What we did on it, still got the stock converters. It used to be true dual. Customer doesn't want it true dual no more. There's the regular converters. So what we did is we cut it back here, put a Y pipe, put a single exhaust back on it with a Black Widow. This is a box. Yeah, Black Widow muffler. And then an inner tailpipe with a center dump right there. 5-inch center dump right there. We reused some of his exhaust to save him some money. But there's the Black Widow. It's a brand new muffler and the piping and everything. We'll let you guys hear in a minute. There's where the true duals work. We cut them all off. Came out really nice, clean. There it is. Let you guys hear in a minute. 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 liter V8 FX2. Still got factory converters there and there. We got something special going on with this one. It's got a rough country kit. They just came out with them, so customer purchased it and we installed it for him. 3-inch all the way back into a rough country single end dual out 3-inch, then 2.5 tailpipes. It was too many pieces though, man. Everything's like, they love to put it in pieces, as you guys can see. They were clamped there, they were clamped there, they were clamped there, another clamp there, then the tips were clamped, and then the tailpipes were clamped. Too many clamps, so you always want to put tacks on the clamps so they don't rattle off or break off or anything with the vibration. But there's that kit. Came out really nice, really beautiful. 4-inch tips, black. Part number on that is Rough Country 96010. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear the sound decibels on it. Go ahead again. About 108, not bad. If you guys want it louder, there's still another muffler we can take off, a resonator in the middle. It's good? On the inside. Nice thing about that, when you tuck them in like that, you don't see anything. It's nice and clean, like you don't even have exhaust on it until you start it. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. you guys hear it inside in a second. Sound decibels on it. Max 110, 111. About 110, 111, not too bad. That's the sound decibels on it. It was around 110.
Is that good or bad?
It's not bad.
Not too loud, not too crazy.
Yeah, it's right in the middle. It gets obnoxious after 120. Go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
This is what it sounds like on the inside for you folks. Nice, nice.
'20 Ford F-150 5.0 liter. Left the resonator, deleted everything else, and put a side pipe with dual tip. Get on it. Middle. He's in. He just did a lift kit. Still got to get it all cut. Massive wheels. Looks really nice. Not bad.